Welcome to the Remedyforce Winter 19 Early Access Program. My name is Virginia Leandro, and I'm one of the product managers for Remedyforce. In Winter 19, we're excited to bring filtering to the Remedyforce console. Much like you can do in Excel and filter a column of data, we're giving you and your staff similar capabilities. This is our legal notice letting you know that what we are demoing today is regarding a future product. This information is provided under NDA, and any purchasing decision should be based on what is generally available today. In Winter 19, you and your staff will now be able to apply filters based on a given column. Not only will you be able to filter on different fields, but you'll sort of be able to do filters within filters. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a org with some of my sample data, and you'll notice when I go to Client ID, I get this little funnel here, which tells me this is a field that I can apply filtering to. I'm going to go ahead and look for Jackson. There he is, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And you'll notice now all I'm seeing are any tickets that are related to Jackson Smith that fall within this particular view. But maybe I also want to look at any of his priority 1 issues. So we'll go ahead and do that as well. And now I have the one record that I was looking for that maybe perhaps I couldn't find earlier. To clear, I simply go back to those fields and clear those filters. Another option is that we'll go ahead and do this again and look for Jackson. We do have type ahead available. And now I may want to clear the filters, so I can go over here to this filter icon and click on it. And again, that will automatically clear the filters for us. This is a bit of an eye chart, but it shows the different field types we're supporting as well as the operators that can be used with that particular field type. For example, a new addition to the filtering is the ability to filter on a date-time field. If you select the between operator, then staff will be able to select a start date and an end date with both the time as well, to be able to say search for all records within those 2 dates. There are a couple of notes around this feature. Filtering doesn't persist when the view is changed. So for example, if staff move from incident to task and the staff are not using the multi-tab feature, then switching those views, they will lose their filter. However, if they are using the multi-tab functionality where they can have incidents open on one tab and tasks open on another, switching between those 2 tabs won't cause the filter to be lost. It's not until they close that tab that the filter will be lost. As I just mentioned, filters are cleared when the user closes the tab or they change the list view filter. So you have the list view filters that you can drop down. If they change that, again, the filter is not retained from view to view. Also be aware we've added special handling to fields such as status, impact, and urgency, so they show up more like a pick list versus a standard lookup. And then lastly, there are fields that we cannot support filtering on. Those would be encrypted fields, only time fields, multi-select pick lists, and formula fields containing HTML content. It's still not too late to participate in the early access program. You can reach out to your business relationship manager and we can arrange for a beta release to be pushed to your sandbox. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to your feedback on the Remedyforce Winter 19 release.